Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the $100 sign up bonus with Financial Partners Credit Union and the unlimited referral earnings that you can earn by being a member of this credit union. So we'll go ahead and get into it. The eligible requirements to become a member of the Financial Partners Credit Union: the following: if you live, work, or go to school in Orange County, San Diego County, Los Angeles County, the city of South San Francisco, or the city of Alameda. You can also apply if you're an employee, retiree of select employer groups. The full list can be found here. The web link is there. If you want to scan this with a smartphone with a QR code reader, it'll take you directly to the list, and you can take a look. They're mostly Southern California employers, from what I saw. You can also apply if you're a family member of an existing Financial Partners member. So if you have a family member that is an existing member, they can refer you. The Financial Partners Credit Union is check sensitive if you apply online, not so much so in branch. So if you're able to go in branch, I would recommend you do so. Another good option would probably be do a video call if you're not able to go in person. So soft pull on credit. There's no credit card funding. There is unlimited referral rewards. So it is unlimited for as often as many people as you want. There's currently no expiration date, so it's just ongoing. Going forward, you can apply online, by phone, video call, or in branch. The link and pathways to apply can be found here, the website. You can also scan this QR code with the QR code reader with a smartphone. It'll take you directly there. When you do apply, you need to enter code DN6706 at application for the $100 sign-up bonus. The code must be entered at the time of application in order to receive the bonus, and this code appears on the first screen when you'll be prompted to enter it there. The eligibility requirements for the $100 sign-up bonus: you must open and maintain Financial Partners Union savings account with a minimum deposit of $25. You must maintain an active checking account or loan. For the checking account, the easiest one is the Simply Free Checking. It has no monthly fee, no minimum balance, e-statements. Otherwise, you'll be charged a $3 per month paper statement fee. So make sure you do e-statements for this one. Going forward, you need to maintain a monthly direct deposit of at least $500, and you want to do so at least until the bonus posts. The bonus posts within 90 days of meeting the requirements, so make sure you keep that active. You need to make a minimum of $300 in purchases with a Financial Partners Credit Union debit card within 60 days of account opening. So I believe I did an Amazon reload when I did this, just one purchase and I'm done. But other methods may work too. In order to be eligible for the bonus, you may not be a current member or have been a member during the previous 12 months and must meet the membership eligibility requirements. The referring member must be at least 18 years of age. Financial Partners Credit Union employees and volunteers, business accounts, and fiduciary accounts are not eligible to receive the promotional incentive. Both the referrer and referee accounts must be in good standing to receive the $100. The bonus will be reported as interest income to the IRS, so it is taxable. Going forward, the $100 bonus will be credited to the checking within 90 days of account opening, provided all requirements are met. There is no early account termination fee, and there's no household limit to the number of people that can apply for this for the Financial Partners Credit Union. There is free online bill pay, online banking. It's also free. There's Zelle. There's no charge. They do offer a 3.5% APY on first step savings with balances below $1,000. There's also a 6% APY on 8th month certificates for new members available to eligible California residents. The best thing about the Financial Partners Credit Union sign-up bonus is the unlimited referral rewards. It is pretty amazing and may not be unheard of with other banks, but it's still pretty impressive considering most referrals and credit unions and banks they have a cap on it. Most of them are $500, some are $1,000, and then you're done. So that is pretty impressive in itself. So I recommend that just for that alone. Wrapping up, the Financial Partners Credit Union sign-up bonus. I recommend applying in person. I did so. it may be available to do a video call, which you can do so through the link provided. It may save you time on gas and going in person. The one I went to was in Loma Linda, California. When I did apply, I provided a copy of my driver's license, and I had a copy of my bank statement scanned to my smartphone just to show him this is my address for proof of residency. So, if you're living in the area of eligibility, I recommend this. Promote this to your friends and just explain the unlimited referral rewards. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave a comment in the detail below. And if you like this content and would like to get more of it, please hit the subscribe button and smash the like button. Thank you for watching. You guys have a good day.